This package that you see contains Khejurer Gur. It has come through Amazon. The brand is Mon Bangla, and Khejurer Gur means Jaggery made from date palm. So we will open this package. Last year we had ordered this and we found it pretty good. So let's get down to unboxing it. So let's open this. Oh, see the packaging, as though they're sending something made from glass. This is the bill or invoice, and here it is, the main thing. Now I have to open this. Please store under refrigeration. That's what it says. So this is what it looks like, the package. I'll remove this. I need to cut this. Here it is. I will taste this and then check. This is what it is. They come in form of discs, but I don't see any discs. This has got melted and got mixed up, and it is a shapeless mass. I just tasted it. I think what we ate last year was better. They also have an expensive one. This is 700 grams and it cost 315 rupees. The other one is more expensive. Maybe that is better. Doesn't seem to be pure Khejurer Gur. Some mixture is there. So the expensive version must be purer. I don't know. I'll have to try that out as well. But that will be later. And so I'll just keep it in the fridge as advised. I ordered for this good again, but this time I ordered the more expensive one. So let us see what the difference is. Let us open this. Well, here it is, like before, packed in this plastic pouch. I'll cut it open. Well, the same mess like before. I don't know, because the season is ending or what. It is liquidy inside. Let me taste it a bit and see how it is. It's better than before. A little better. Okay, fine. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.